In the vast universe of health, there hides an unsung hero, a guardian of our well-being, a protector of our smiles. That hero is oral health. But today we're not just talking about the usual toothbrush and floss routine. Today we dive into an avant-garde revolution, a revolution named Denticore. Denticore, a name that rolls off the tongue as smoothly as it cares for it. This isn't just an innovation, it's a paradigm shift in how we approach oral health. So what is Denticore? It's a symphony of 9 potent nutrients and plants, each with a specific role in the grand ballet of oral wellness. From the mineral-rich calcium and phosphorus that fortify teeth to the antioxidant power of vitamin C that rejuvenates gums, each ingredient is a maestro in its own right. But together, they create a masterpiece of oral care. There's even the mighty probiotics, the custodians of our mouth's microbiome, ensuring a healthy balance of bacteria for optimal oral health. But Denticore isn't just about maintaining oral health, it's about enhancing it. Its natural ingredients work in harmony to boost immunity and naturally whiten teeth. And with the ease of just one tablet with water each morning, it's like having a personal oral health expert at your disposal every day. Health professionals worldwide have joined the chorus, singing the praises of Denticore's natural, holistic approach to oral wellness. But Denticore isn't just about the science, it's about trust. That's why it comes with a satisfaction guarantee, free ebooks, and GMO-free production. Safety has been a cornerstone of Denticore's journey, and with no reported side effects, it's a journey you can embark on with peace of mind. But remember, to ensure you're getting the genuine product, always purchase Denticore from the official website. So here's the call to action, not just for health enthusiasts, but for everyone who values their smile. It's time to join the Denticore revolution. It's time to not just live, but thrive with Denticore. It's time to smile brighter, healthier, and happier. Check out the link in the description and let the revolution begin.